Hello and welcome back to my shed once again. I'm doing some work on my old Butler crank shaper, and unfortunately some of the issues in the machine have started to come to light. The length of stroke adjustment shaft, which wasn't working properly, has sheared. And you can see it is sheared at this end here. See if I can get that into focus. Now, when I look at that, I can see fire marks on the end of the broken shaft, and looking at it carefully, I can see that there's a very small 1 millimetre deep hole, a 1 millimetre deep weld running around the outside of the shaft. So what we concluded from that was that in fact the shaft was broken, had been broken previously, and it's been repaired, but repaired not so well, and that has caused it to break again. So we've started looking at how we can repair this, and to do that we'll need to get out the bevel gear. What we did was we started removing the parts, the covers around the length of stroke adjust. So you can see where we've got to there, and unfortunately we're not going to be able to make the repair through that access. So we had to go around to the other side, and looking in here you can actually see the ball gear in the background. What I'm going to need to do is to work out how to remove the rocking arm, very big heavy looking thing. We'll need to remove that or move it out of the way so that we can get access to the ball gear to repair the length of stroke adjustment. And while we was working on this, we found that there's another metal block on the back of the ball gear which has a crack in it. So there's probably going to be another repair in there as well. So all very nice to find out how the shaper works in detail internally, and I've done some similar repairs previously. This is my second shaper. The first shaper is in the other part of the workshop, and that's a Douglas shaper, and I did quite a lot of repair work on that. I had to repair the ball gear to repair again the length of stroke setting mechanism, which is much more basic than this one. So I will make videos at each stage of doing the work, and I'll keep everybody informed of how it's going. And you can see here some really unpleasant looking scoring on one of the ways on the shaper. I think there might be a bit of turkite in the future. But if people are able to make comments, I would really love to hear what you have to say, and give me ideas on how to get this apart and get the repair made. That would be great. Thank you.